We are live. What's going on, guys? Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there. Okay. I figured I'd hop on a Sunday afternoon and see how many people are floating around. See if anybody ends up joining the chat. Was considering going on live a little bit later, but figured, we'll see what's going on. So got lots of stuff to do later. So anyway, guys, let's get into the market here. Link and Quant are having fantastic days today. Link is at almost $9.50. Quant is back up to $93. I am digging it. H bar, little bit of a pump, almost 1% on H bar. Gal is up 3.5%. What else is going on? Kaspa is a nice DCA opportunity today. Yeah? Down almost 2%. Probably pick some more of that up later. Taraxa, nice DCA opportunity there. What is Jasmy doing? Jasmy's even on the day for the most part. It's a mixed bag today, guys. Mixed bag. Matic is up 4%. Render up 1%. A little mixed bag. I don't think anybody's around today. Guys, just so you know, on the member side, I did upload another gem video over there, so definitely check that out as well. Okay, let's get into the news. See what's going on out there. Ripple SEC settlement before swell on November 8th. No, probably not, but it is a good reminder that Ripple's swell event is coming up next month. Always bullish. We don't ever really see a pump, though. That's the thing for XRP when swell's coming up. People always expect it, but we never really see a pump. But you will see it all over X. People will be talking about how, XRP is going to pump because swell's coming, but it never really does. So, what else is going on out there? Morgan Stanley predicts Bitcoin halving to spark the bull run. Investment banking giant Morgan Stanley has recently said that the impending Bitcoin halving will spark a new bull run. Moreover, it's in its most recent report, the asset management firm shares its assessment that the crypto winter is nearing an end. Subsequently, they linked the year-long crypto cycle of that to the 4 seasons, with spring soon approaching. The firm noted its belief that the Bitcoin halving will have a similar function in the industry that it has had in the past. Moreover, it went into detail about the effect of the halving on the market and what it could mean for crypto as a whole. Conversely, the expected approval of the United States' first spot Bitcoin ETF could further propel the asset to new highs. The Bitcoin halving remains one of the most important moments for the asset indeed. It represents the time every 4 years when the number of Bitcoins are created per 10 minutes is cut in half, therefore creating scarcity and driving up value. Ultimately, when the number of Bitcoin reaches 21 million, no more will be mined. Morgan Stanley presumes the upcoming incarnation of the event could have immensely positive ramifications. Of course it will. Bitcoin's gonna go nuts next year and 2025. Bitcoin winter is over. Bitcoin having to bring new gains, says Morgan Stanley. In the most recent crypto report titled Crypto Spring, Will Crypto Spring Ever Come? Morgan Stanley laid out its forecast for the upcoming year. Specifically, the firm highlighted its belief on the crypto winter and broke down what could be in store for the industry's most prominent asset. Specifically, Morgan Stanley stated that the upcoming Bitcoin halving could spark yet another bull run. Indeed, the firm noted that the halving should have the same effect that previous events have had. Therefore, it could catapult the entire market into a crypto spring, with the crypto winter officially ending. Historically, most of Bitcoin's gains have come directly after the halving, the firm stated. This bull run period starts with a halving event and ends once the price of Bitcoin hits its prior peak. Therefore, it states that the arrival of the new high attract renewed interest from new investors and businesses, which can drive prices even higher. The firm then stated this period represents the time between the Bitcoin, uh, between when Bitcoin passes the old high and reaches a new one, which signals the bull market has run its course. Subsequently, Morgan Stanley predicted the halving to occur sometime around April 2024. Therefore, they noted that crypto winter may be in the past and the crypto spring is likely on the horizon. Very bullish, guys. 3 more months of accumulation. Three more? We got November, December. About 2 more months of accumulation before I think we start to see the buy the rumor, sell the news event leading up into the Bitcoin halving. So you'll see January, February, March, in my opinion, we'll start to see a run up. But then we'll see a sell off at around the Bitcoin halving as people take their profits, and then probably sideways action for quite a few months before we see the asset class really kind of take off. So usually about 6 months after the halving is when things really start going parabolic, in my opinion. But definitely let me know what you guys think. Cardano's long-awaited DEX Trailblazer AXO out for public testing. With the public demand for updated and automated services boomed, continuous evolution and advancement in the crypto space made it essential for the crypto enthusiasts to operate with such demands and hassle-free exchanges to fulfill this need. Cardano, a proof-of-stake blockchain network, came up with a new launch. The network finally launched its long-awaited Trailblazer AXO. On October 19th, a post from AXO filled Cardano's DEX users with joy. The post related to the launch of the highly anticipated AXO testnet launched on Cardano. Cardano is an open source and decentralized public blockchain and cryptocurrency project. The blockchain was founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson in September 2017. The platform's long-awaited decentralized exchange has made its debut on the public testnet. DEX is a platform or peer-to-peer marketplace that allows crypto holders to trade and make transactions. Uniswap, Aave, Polygon, etc. Are some of the common DEXs in the crypto world. Cardano is another powerful name in the list and remained somewhat soiled in its offerings till now. AXO is Cardano's latest and long-awaited DEX, which will be added to the trading experience of crypto enthusiasts soon. The DEX is out for the public testing, warming crypto enthusiasts to check innovative trading features and offer valuable feedback before the final launch of AXO. The platform went public for testnet on October 19th and is expected to meet individuals' needs. User-friendly trading interface for beginners, drag and drop interface, and on-chain programming swaps will allow users to craft complex trading strategies. Also, the AXO is expected to resolve the real struggle associated with surging traffic. Massive problem on Ethereum. Why the decision matters. AXO was previously known as Maladex, and required a mandatory KYC process. The relaunch of the platform also boosted the expectations of crypto enthusiasts with trading and investing. The key reason behind the launch is triggering an overwhelmingly positive response from the community and mitigating issues associated with traffic. However, the decision was not accepted by everyone and created a debate environment. Ilya Oskin, the co-founder of Cardano's DEX, raised criticism of AXO mainly for the UTXO-based order matching engine. Quote, this is a huge problem with the programming of the respective platform. The infrastructure may challenge individuals from conducting any other transactions until their orders are executed on the blockchain. stated Ilya Oskins. According to Oskin, users are reporting issues with the platform's front end along with a barrage of feedback and queries. However, the platform addresses issues with UTXO selection on the website and is actively working to fix the same. The rising competition in the crypto world made it necessary for Cardano to address the issues. With the launch of AXO, Cardano is all set to fight the major players, including Polygon, Solana, and Ethereum. In conclusion, Cardano's trailblazer AXO is finally out for public testing. Crypto enthusiasts are invested by Cardano to test the DEX and provide feedback to relevant suggestions for further improvement. The platform is also expected to mitigate issues associated with surging traffic. Again, that's the biggest problem on Ethereum. Well, not the biggest, but one of the big ones. So yeah, great news for Cardano, guys. I'm super bullish on Cardano. I have a big bag of it myself. I've had a big bag of it for a very long time. So yeah, definitely looking forward to taking profits from that. What else do we have going on? Just in, Coinbase to suspend trading for Crypterium, MXC, Quantum Stamp, REN, and T-Food on November 4th due to non-compliance with exchange listing standards. That's funny, guys, because Crypterium has emailed me probably 5 times in the last 4 weeks trying to get me to do to allow them to sponsor the channel, but I've been ignoring them. But I don't really know anything about them. Do you guys know anything about Crypterium? I did a little bit of research on it, and I saw some scam stuff coming up. People saying something about not being able to cash out or something like that. So that's interesting. But I've been ignoring them, though. Definitely not interested in accepting a sponsorship from them. Kaspa, organic growth. Kaspa's independence, Kaspa's remarkable growth is rooted in its commitment to its decentralization. Kaspa is a community that stands alone, free from external ownership or control. This independence empowers Kaspa to make strategic decisions and pursue its vision without being beholden to any particular entity. As a result, the Kaspa has experienced substantial organic growth driven by its ability to chart its own course and act in the best interests of the community. In a world where many companies are subject to external pressures, Kaspa's independence is a valuable asset that has contributed significantly to its success. Guys, we love Kaspa here. I am trying as hard as I can to accumulate 1 million coins. I say it all the time. I believe that Kaspa will mirror what Cardano did in the last bull run. It's eerie how similar, how parallel these two have been running. Because in the last the last 4-year cycle, Cardano was about 4 or 5 cents around this time, and no smart contracts. They were saying nobody was building on it, all that fun stuff. And yeah, it ended up, they ended up having smart contracts, and still trying to get rid of this cough, guys. And they ended up going to like $3.09 or something like that, and for Cardano. And Kaspa has almost half the total supply of Kaspa, of Cardano. So, I mean, I see easily if it mirrors Cardano, $4 to $5 for sure. But 2 to 3 would just be conservatively low, in my opinion, for Kaspa. So that's where I see it going. Anyway, I'm trying to get myself 1 million coins while it's still so dirt cheap, man. I missed out. Largely, I got some profits from Cardano in the last bull run, but I'm not missing out on Kaspa like I did on Cardano. That's for sure. I'm taking advantage of it this time around. So, what do we got? In a document concerning the patent terminal device information processing system and program filed by Jasmy at the end of the pages, they listed, there's a list of companies which are cited, including Fujitsu, Intel, and Toyota. I do not know why, because I don't realize I didn't read all 76 pages. Trying to hold these coughs in, guys. That's why I haven't been doing many live feeds lately, guys. It's hard for me to get much of a sentence out without breaking out into coughing and hacking and stuff like that. And I don't want you guys to sit there listening to that. So, the race for innovation for Jasmy, like automobiles, like the automobile sector and others, drives the entire Japanese industry. In this technological marathon, victories remain the ultimate goal, carrying the promise of a revolutionary, innovative future. Sorry, guys. So listen, people, I get some comments, as the channel grows, guys, you get some people who, for whatever reason, they don't like, let's use Jasmy as an example. Say they don't like Jasmy, right? So then I get comments, like I read one or two today, I think it was, or yesterday, and people are like, come on, man, that Jasmy's this, it's a scam, or this, that, or the other thing. And it's like, I don't know that, guys, because the difference between us, the reason that I don't agree, if you're making comments in the comment section saying, come on, that Jasmy's a scam. The difference between us, why my opinion is different than yours, is because I've actually done my research on the company. I know what they're doing. I mean, hell, you could go back over the last couple of weeks, if just the last couple of weeks, not even the last few months, and watch my Jasmy videos, my breakdown videos on Jasmy, what the company's doing, what's moving forward. I even just interviewed one of the ambassadors like last month, and we posted that video. So these people who are saying this kind of stuff, like, it's beyond me how someone could do absolutely zero research into a project like Jasmy and then just start coming in comment sections talking about how it's a scam and this and that. And it's asinine. How is a company a scam when, I mean, they're partnered with the Japanese government. They're partnered with the largest law firm in Japan. Like, these entities are not just going to partner with Jasmy if it's a scam, right? Like, the Japanese government, the largest law firm in Japan, they're not just going to not do any research on a company they're partnering with and working with. Like, it's so stupid for someone to jump on the internet and talk about something being a scam without doing any research on it whatsoever. It's, it's amazing to me. That's no different to me than someone who reads the title of a video on YouTube and then doesn't watch the video and then goes into the comment section and starts arguing the same thing that the video says, which they would have known had they watched the video. It's stupidity at its finest. But yeah. So I just, you get these people in the comments is, oh, Jasmy's a scam and it. And, come on, man, and I don't know. I don't, because I know so much more about the company than you do, about what they're doing than you do, that, and when I say you do, guys, I'm talking about the fudsters and stuff like that, right? I mean, I never understood why somebody would not do research on a project and then go around flooding it. It's one of the stupidest things I've ever seen. And that's why, like, they say that big money and institutional money and, like regulators and stuff, they say that crypto investors are not mature enough to have an asset class to, and shouldn't be investing. That's why that's why they say they require for you to be, what do you call it? What do you call those investors you have to have over tip of the tongue? Anyways, they call crypto investors immature, right? And there's a reason for that, right? All you have to do is go on crypto Twitter and you can understand exactly what they're talking about. You got people arguing over, well, this project's better than, like, HBAR's better than Algorand, and they're arguing about it and they're saying stupid stuff. It's like, what the hell are you talking about? Buy both of them and make money. Why are you on here acting like it's high school, right? Like, that's what they mean when they say we're not, like, crypto investors are not mature enough, right? They argue like it's like they're children about stuff. It's embarrassing sometimes. People come on again, they do no research, and then they start fighting projects. It's like, you don't even know anything about the company and you're bashing it. It's unbelievable to me. So, what do you guys think about the fudsters out there? No matter what project it is, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments in the chat. What are your thoughts on fudsters who don't do any research and then start calling things S coins and going into comment sections and saying stupid stuff and spreading dumb stuff on X and stuff like that? What do you guys think about that? I would love to know. You guys are quiet today. Not a lot of people on this afternoon. That's why I figured it'd be kind of slow for the afternoon. Maybe I'll do another stream this evening. Do another live stream this evening. See if everybody's home. See what's going on. But kind of slow, guys. So I'm gonna wrap it there. I think I'll be back. We'll be back this evening. We'll do a live stream around 7 or 8 o'clock. See who's all in. And yeah. But thanks for swinging by, guys. I'll see you in a couple of hours.